guys. I'm cooking some steak and eggs for lunch. Medyo hindi ako nagutom today kasi I have coffee already. Usually have an eggs para na-maintain natin yung weight natin. Tapos itong steak, half lang yung kainin ko. Tapos it's gonna be half lunch tomorrow. Kasi sa hospital, wala akong medyo kaming kumain. So, I heard that carnivore diet is really good for losing weight without taking anything. But, I'll see. But for me, I rather to have a little bit of fibers in my diet, you know. Kasi, but I will try maybe because I'm gonna be 40 this coming December. And when I'm always in high protein, lagi pong bumababa. My weight is very, very, way go down. Not little, but 30 pounds heavier at the moment. But there's a lot of protein, you know, that we need to lose fats. But I'm not fat, you know. I just say that I eat more protein in my diet. But I really wanted to lose some weight during at 40s kasi we need to take care of ourselves rather than going to the doctor and do this to me and do this and do that. Right? So some people, low carb is the best one too. Low carb is the best because sometimes you just eat like instead of 1200 calories, start with 1000s and then 900 to 800. But it's nice to have a low carbs when you have in high protein too as well because madali ka pong nagugutom. So what I'm saying, this is not advisable for everyone. So look for your own thing. Some are doing fasting, but I can't do fasting though. I only time to eat. My last eating meal is between 6 and 7. And then I'm start eating 9 or 10. Sometimes at home I'm 11 or 12 or 1. Then my cut off is but because I don't pay attention with my diet because I'm not really that, you know. But for now, it's time for me to check what I'm supposed to eat because hindi na tayo bumabata. We're not young anymore. So they say the only thing that we can cure is food. If your food is your best friend, it's supposed to be the best friend of weight loss as well. Hindi po pwedeng nagda-dieta na hindi kumakain, guys. That's not how it works. Because you're gonna have ulcers. Marami po kaming pasyente nagkaka-ulcer dahil gustong sumiksi. Hindi pong ganon. Kuntian nyo lang ang kain nyo. Basta kung kunti nga lang, every 4 to 6 hours. Tapos cut off ng 10 to 12 hours ang Yun lang. Pagkain pwede naman po siya masama. Nasa sa intake lang po yan. Ang tagal naman ng steak. Maluto. Gusto ko kasi well done. So that's all for now, guys. What I'm saying is at saka nagluto ako ng munggo. Marami po siyang munggo for fibers. Ang tawag namin dito sa Bisaya, ginataang munggo sa may gata at saka malagkit. Ito lang po ay comfort food ko lang. So pag nagda-diet kayo, maganda to kasi may fiber siya. Pero dahil may unti siyang matamis, hindi to siya nakakadagdag ng weight, guys. Kasi kakainin mo lang ito sa once a day, like sweet treat mo lang talaga. Tapos hindi mo naman kainin isang kaldero, konti lang. Tapos ipamimigay ko sa work. Tapos ito lang yung pagkain natin today. Tapos gagawa ulit ako ng chicken mamaya for my supper. Pero agahan nyo lang kasi kumain. Kung gusto talaga mag-lose ng weight, agahan nyo lang kumain. Instead kakain ka ng 8 and 9, kain na kayo ng 5 to 6 or 7. Tapos cut off na. Tapos more on water. Okay, have a good day and hope you guys don't forget to subscribe my little channel. I really appreciate it. Lalo na sa mga nagwo-watch. And have a good day. God bless you guys.